Hey, this is Arlene. It's July the 18th, 2021. So it looks like I'm going to lose all my food today because I'm getting a replacement refrigerator, but the person that is supposed to come by had car problems and now is going to come by the bus and won't be here till 6 p.m. So anyways, I'm going to give my receipts for my groceries to get reimbursed because they offered that. But just the way things have happened, I find it very interesting for a targeted person. So, what else was I going to say? Yeah, so that's basically it. So that's like all my groceries, my milks, everything I just got is all going to be rotten, and I'm going to have to throw it out because by 6 p.m. tonight, it is not going to be here. And even if I cooked it, I couldn't even refrigerate it because they don't have a refrigerator. So this is at 5640 Santa Monica Boulevard in Los Angeles, California, 90038. I'm glad I have all my receipts for my groceries online, and we'll just go from there. I mean, it is what it is. There's nothing I could do about it. But that's a shame. All this food is going to get. And I really think that this refrigerator broke because of the targeting it's used for. So I get targeted from this refrigerator. And I'm sure it must do something to the refrigerator electrically.